Hi viewers, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Hold me close till I get it. Time is belly on. Side I don't to vent. Waist dead. I left the storms wishes are lighting us. And love is our well. Ever trust? Yes, no. I don't went towards that left. And we go through the westland through the highway. Tell my shadow turn the sun rise and we go through we westland through the highway and on and we go hit go finding life along the way. Melodies played. No, I don't want no rest echoing around these valleys fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat and we go the west through land through the highway till my shadow turns the sun rise and on will go through the westland through the highway and we music and we grow in number fueled by a sea. The horizon turns to thousand and well throwing number fuels by to see the horizon turns the go through the westland through the highway tell my shadow through the sun go through the westland through the highway and on we go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is value on side. I don't went to westwards. Left the turns. Which are riding us. And love is all. Will ever trust a number. I don't went to westwards. Left and we go through the westland through the highway. Tell my shadow turns the sun rise and on will go through the westland through the highway go finding life along the way played. No, I don't want to rest itching around these walls fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat go through the westland through the highway tell my shadow turns the sun rise and on well go through the westland through the highway and the on we number fueled by to say the horizontal must to thousand and well growing number fueled by to see the horizontal as the go through the westland through the highway hold me close till I get us. Time is belly on. Said I don't went to west but left the storm's wishes are letting us end Love is all. Well, ever. Trust you. Don't went to westward. Left. Go through the westland. Through the highway. Tell my shadow. Turn the sunrise and go through the wasteland. Through the highway. Go finding life along the meadows. Played I don't want to rest. Itching around this. Waiting for Greta. Song I don't want to miss a beat. Hi cake lovers. Welcome to our sweet slice or heaven. Today we are diving deep into the disguise and colorful words of birthday cakes. From their fascinating history to the latest trend in cake design, we are serving you everything you need to know the desserts that turns every birthday into a celebration. So grab some fork or just your imaginations and let it in. Did you know birthday cakes baked to a silent grace? That right, the Greek baked round cakes to honor Artemis, later in Germany, Confed introduced the first true birthday cake for children. Over centuries, cakes become sweeter, fancier, and more celebratory. What started as simple bread has transformed into the layered masterpiece we adore today. In US, we love our frosted layer cake, vanilla, chocolate, red velvet. But did you know in Japan?
So latest beautiful heart shape cake ideas on my channels and beautiful colors, beautiful heart shape designs ideas, velvet cake designs ideas, fruit cake designs, chocolate flavor cake designs and strawberry flavor cake ideas on my channel. So don't skip my videos guys for watching my videos and latest and new all best styles, most beautiful best images and beautiful pineapple cake design. So please viewers subscribe my channels and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, you will get notification